Hi guys, it's me Corey. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a nasi goreng putih and Korean eggs. Let's get started. The ingredients are garlic, red onion, and a little bit ginger, and I have some salt and peppers, and I have vegetables, onions, green onion, sausage were cut into small pieces like this, and for Korean eggs, I have carrots and green onion, and I have 4 eggs, and I have some rice. Just it. Look at this. Put a little bit oil in the pan. Adding onions and a little bit ginger into pan and mix them up. And add vegetables, sausage, and mix everything up too. Adding some rice.
Aduh miring ya, kayak otak aku ini mau miring.
Make sure the rice is all mixed up and you can cook for 5 minutes. Then for Korean eggs, adding a little bit salt and pepper, and put the vegetables and onions into the bowl and mix them up. And put the eggs into the hot frying pan and wait until the eggs perfectly cooked. And then try to rolling slowly. You can cut the eggs like this. Yum yum! Look at this. Perfect. This is the final result. I put the chili sauce on the eggs because I like spicy, but if you don't want to, it's okay. And add some oregano leaf on the top. Look at this. Ta-da! Here I have my beautiful nasi goreng with my Korean eggs. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye! Telur Korea dan nasi putih ala Korea umum.